Lubhan.
Oh, puli.
Chapter 5, okay na. Yeah. First 5. Pasok na, first 5. First fight, pasok. Pasok na, guys. Jumbo between Temesa and De Guzman.
At welcome to Nueva Ecija Towns Basketball League. Battle between Team Camellia Nueva Ecija versus Barangay San Juan Aqua. Rebound by jersey number 22. De Mesa. No good. Rebound by Tolentino.
Pass to Benson. Nice hit. Now on in. Pass to jersey number 85.
2 points by jersey number 25. Penson, pass to De Guzman. Back to Penson. Tolentino. One and shot. Rebound by jersey number 22. Pass to Flores. 2 points. Penson, pass to. On the way. Yes! Bautista, 3 points.
Lege con pass to Mareo.
Flores, pass to. 2 points by jersey number 27. 6-3 in favor of Barangay San Juan Aqua. Penson to Merano. Merano floater. Yes, 2 points.
Lege con pass to.
Flores, open 3. No good. Rebound by Bautista. Shout out to 29 viewers. Penson drives back to Merano. Tumira ng 3. No good. Bola ng Barangay San Juan Aqua.
Lege con pass to. Jersey number 87. No good. Rebound.
Flores, no good. Rebound by Merano. Merano pa rin. Pass to Tolentino. Fakes. Short. Rebound by Mateo. Pass to De Mesa. De Mesa drives. Basket. 2 points. De Guzman, pass to Benson. 2. Merano, pass to Bautista. The corner. Bautista, 3 points. Deadlock 8. Jersey number 22, pass to. Jersey number 27, no good. Rebound by Merano. Merano na istilan. Nakakuha ni jersey number 27. 2. Oh, no good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Mateo. 2 points. The inbound play by Team San Juan Aqua. And Bautista. Floater, yes, 2 points. Mateo. Mateo drives. Pinasa pero na-check na ako ni Tolentino. Bautista again. Bautista 3 of 3 sa kanya 3 points. Calago pass to Mateo. Yes. Jersey number 22, 3 points. Penson to Mirano. Pass to Tolentino. Tolentino with some footwork. Yes, 2 points by Tolentino. Jersey number 22. Nagbababa ng bola. Leigego. De Mesa. Pass to Flores. Wala. Nakuha ni. Rebound by De Guzman. Pass to Benson. Bautista. No good. Rebound by Libreng Libre. Jersey number 22. 2 points. Leigego. Shoutout po sa 19 viewers. Benson tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni jersey number 27. Then Mesa, easy 2 points. Assisted by Ivan Mateo.
Last 4 minutes. Remaining time.
Benson.
2-point lead para guys on one.
Pasi. Mirano. Mirano through 3 points.
Balik na ang kalaro pa sa kanyang isa.
Leigego pass to De Mesa. Back to Leigego. Short. Rebound by Tolentino. Tolentino with the handles. Oops. Saves the ball. Pass to De Guzman. 2. Benson. Yes, Benson. 3 points. Back to back 3 from Team Camellia. Flores pass to De Mesa. Kumangga. Sinubukan si Mr. Tolentino. 2 points. De Mesa.
Last 3 minutes. Remaining time.
Benson tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Leigego. Pass to.
Same ball.
Same ball. Time out. Team Camellia.
And 15 seconds.
1921. Lamang bola ng dalawang barangay Camellia. And this game is brought to you by Glenn's Cafe, Glenn's Malunggay Pandesala. Shout out to our 31 viewers.
Back to the ball game. Two-point lead para sa barangay Camellia. 19 to shoot.
Na-steal na ako ni Bautista. Bautista drives. Kinaliwapa ni Mr. Bautista. 2 points. Mateo. Mateo with the ball. Pass to Calago. Back to Mateo. Mateo. Mateo foul. Oh. Stepping in the line. Out of bounds. Turnover. Benson. Pass to Bautista. Bautista no good. Rebound by Mateo. Pass to Leigego. Yes. 2 points. Leigego. Deadlock. 23.
2-point lead para sa barangay Camellia.
Lamang pa rin po pala ang Team Camellia. Traveling violation. Turnover.
1 minute and 15 seconds. Remaining time.
Mateo. Pinasa sa ilalim. Pero out of bounds. Miscommunication.
1 minute and 35 seconds.
Mirano. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by De Mesa. Tolentino. No good. Out of bounds. Ang bola ay mapupunta sa Barangay San Juan, Agpa. Calago to Flores. Flores, napakalayo. Wala, naribo ni Mirano. Pension. Basu. Tolentino. Tolentino gets fouled by jersey number 26, Flores. Last 50 seconds. 23-21. Shout out to 18 viewers. Pakishare po ng ating live stream. Maraming salamat po. 2-4-2 for Mr. Tolentino. Last 35 seconds. Lekeko, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Flores. Wala, nakawali. Benson. Benson. It's a moves. 2 points. Benson.
Last 24 seconds.
Last 20 seconds. De Mesa. Foul.
Now, there's number 12. There's
14 seconds. 6-point lead. Team Camellia. Calago. Tumira ng 3. No good. Last 5 seconds. Traveling violation. Last 4 seconds. Shoutout po kay Mr. Ken Rodriguez. Ang team Pag-ibig sa Barangay Caligid Sur. Lekeko misses. End of the first quarter. Score 21. Back to the ball game. Starting from De Mesa in the corner. Nugu. Meron na ang wali. Lekeko. Pass to De Mesa. Medyo mataas. Rebound by Bautista. Bautista. Nugu. Flores. Flores if we need it. Yes! Flores! 2 points. Benson. Mateo to Flores. Wala na ako ni Mirano. Merano to Benson. Back to Benson. Traveling violation. Turnover by Team Camellia. Shoutout po Kyle Pantigel. Magandang gabi po, Kuya Kyle. Carlos, pass to Lawrence. No good, rebound by Mateo. Mateo to Mesa. The Mesa gets fouled by jersey number 5, Tolentino. Shout out to our 23 viewers. First throw, no good. Pangalawang tira for Mr. De Mesa. Wala pa rin. Tapos, Carlos Tulay Keko. Lores tumira ng 3. Walang tulen. Defenson. Benson to Bautista. Matibay din talaga si Mr. Bautista ng Team Camellia. Play Keko short. Tolentino binigay kay Benson. Nagmamadali. 2 points by Meprano. Score 23-31. 8-point lead Team Camellia.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Carlos, pass to Lane Keko. Calago, no good. Sorry. Traveling violation. Two points by Lake Gego. Benson. Ibinigay kay De Guzman. Benson, De Guzman, gandang pasahaan. 2 points by De Guzman. Mateo, pull-up jumper. Wala na rin mo ni De Mesa. 2 points. Merano. Pass to Tolentino. Speed. Binalik na yung Merano. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakakuha ni Mateo. Mateo pass to De Mesa. Foul po. 2 shots for De Mesa. Dalawang tira po para Mr. De Mesa. Yun na, pumasok na ang import ng Team Camellia, si Angeles.
He scored 33-27 for favor of Barangay Camellia.
Mirano. Huwelas. Kakapasok lang, turnover agad. 28-33. 5 lang ang kalamangan ng Team Camellia. Carlos. Binigay kay Carlos ulit. Pass to Leikeko. To Mateo. Mateo, no good. Rebound by De Mesa. Fouled.
Jersey number 16. Substitution. 13 foul ang Barangay Gamela. Shooting blue. Jersey number 22. De Mesa. 33-29 in favor of Barangay Gamela. Yes, 2 for Mr. De Mesa. 3-point lead para sa Barangay Gamela.
Baba po sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Barangay Camellia. De La Cruz, traveling violation. Driving without license. Si Mr. De La Cruz. Carlos. Carlos drives. Lose control. Nakakuha ni Angeles. Angeles malakas. Nakakuha ni Calago Basu. Mateo to De Mesa. Pero na-check nakakuha ni Agod. Agod pass to Guelas. Guelas tumira ng 3. Guelas off the glass. 3 points. Leikeko to Mateo. Binalik kay Leikeko. Oh, what a play to Calago. 2 points. Gandang pasa. Galing kay Leikeko to Calago. Guelas to De La Cruz. Back to Guelas. De Guzman. One shot. No good. Mateo pass to De Mesa to Leikeko. Carlos. 2 points. Dalawang lamang ng Team Camellia. Remaining time 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Steal ako ni Carlos pass to Leikeko. Wala pero follow up by Calago. 2 points. Deadlock. 36. Mateo. Binigay kay Carlos. Carlos long 3. Wala. Nakakuha ni Mateo Basu. De Mesa. 2 points. Change favor. 2-point lead. Barangay San Juan Akpa. Agod. Basu. Valentino spins. Basket. 2 points. Carlos. Pass to Leikeko to Mateo. Calago drives. Pinasa kay De Mesa pero may foul. Shoutout po uli kay Sir Noel Nepomuceno. Tumakbo ka na rito. First throw De Mesa, wala.
No good. Rebound now by Valentino. Egan. Setting away.
Agod, binigay kay Angeles. Pull up. Nakakuha ni Guelas. Guelas pa rin. Malakas pa rin nakakuha ni Angeles. Denied. Nakakuha ni Carlos. Pasu. De Mesa. Nugu. 2 shots ulit para kay Mr. De Mesa. Shoutout po kay Lebron Reyes. Pinapa-shoutout po kayo ni Mr. Rafael Sarmiento.
No
No
good.
good.
Wala na ako ni
1 point lead para sa barangay.
San Juan Alpha.
Agod. Binigay kay Guelas.
10 to shoot.
Carrying the ball. Turnover. Pasharot po. Kay Matt Cyrus De Jesus. Magandang gabi po. Shoutout din sa ating 29 viewers. Carlos Sumalaksak. Ibinigay kay Tim Mesa. Out of bounds.
Dalawang suko, barangay agad.
Bola ng Team Camellia. De Guzman pass to Agod. De Guzman. Jump shot is good. Carlos to Mateo. Pinigay kay Leke ko. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakakuha ni Mateo. Saves the ball to Calago. 2 points.
James Faymore.
Balik po sa San Juan Alpha ang Kalamangan. Valentino, wala pa rin nakakuha ni. Pero out of bounds, same ball. Last 55 seconds. De La Cruz. Inbounding the ball.
Last 45 seconds.
De La Cruz, pass to.
And you shoot. You shoot.
They still nakuha ni Flores. Pass to. Lane Keko, 2 points.
10 seconds. Twenty-five seconds.
And you shoot.
Na-steal na naman, nakakuha ni Calago Paso Flores. Oh, pero na Carlos. Save it, 2 points. Timeout. Team Camellia score 45-40. Lamang po. Back to the ball game.
Guys,
Last 9 seconds.
9.7 seconds.
Last 9 seconds. De La Cruz, pass to Agod. Agod tumira ng 3 short.
3 points.
Lake Keko. End of the second quarter. 40-45. Lamang pa rin po ang San Juan Alpha.
Back to the ball game. Third quarter. 5-point lead para sa Barangay San Juan Alpha.
Back to the ball game. Starting at the third quarter. Tolentino. Wala pa rin ako ni Team Mesa, napakalaki. Lake Keko. Pass to. Oops, mundi kang pa ma-shoot. Carlos, 2 points. Shoutout po kay Justin Felix from Canada. Mirano drives. Mirano, 2 points. Ang batang mamaw galing sa Team Camellia. Mirano.
The ball goes to Barangay Galer.
Oh, sige. Wait lang. Tatawag si JR.
Benson, nakalusot. Pass through. De Guzman, no good. Rebound na wala ni Mesa. Pass to Flores. No good.
Flores no good. Nakakuha ni Mirano. Tolentino Baso Bautista no good. Nakakuha ni Lane Keko. Nasa kay Carlos. Carlos tumira ng 3. Tapos nakakuha ni Bautista ang bola. Bautista Baso Mirano doon sa ball. Na kay Bautista pa rin pero traveling. Violation.
Carlos.
Flores ibinigay sa gilid. Flores drives. Pasok ang Lago. Same ball.
12 seconds to shoot.
Kalago wala. Kako ni Mirano. Mirano Basto Benson. Bautista with some moves pero pinasa kay Mirano. 2 points. 3 po ang lamang ng team. San Juan Aqua. Flores tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakaribaw ni Mirano ang bola. Pass to Tolentino. Wala ulit. Nakakuha ni Carlos. Carlos nagmamadali. Carlos 2 points. Basket and 1.
And 17 seconds remaining time. It's gone.
3-point play for Mr. Carlo.
No good. Rebound now by Aviles. No good for that. Aviles for the rebound for that. Pass to Milano. 10 to shoot. Nice kill. Ricardo. Pass to Flores. Carlos. Wow.
What a block by Mr. Mirano. Pero nasa likod si Carlos. Basket and 1. Bonus throw for Carlos. Yes.
Valentino. Here's drop. No good. Out of the bounds. Same ball. 15 to shoot. Angeles. Yes.
2 points by Angeles. Mateo. Pinasa ilalim kay Flores. Out of bounds. Malamang pa rin po ang team San Juan Aqua. Baba sa 5 ang lamang. Carlos. Pinasa kay Flores. Block by the board. Hey, lakas naman po Mr. Angeles. 3 points by Flores. Penson, Pasu, Bautista. Binigay kay Penson. De Guzman. De Guzman, wala pa rin nakakuha ni Mateo. Mateo, yes, with a basic move. 2 points, Mateo. Penson, Tumirano, Vamps. Pinilit, wala nakuha ni Carlos. Carlos pass to Mateo. Binigay sa ilalim pero nawala. Nakakuha ni De Guzman to Penson. Penson nagmadali na steal ni Carlos. Fouled. Carlos tumira ng drills. Carlos, nothing but net. 3 points. 61-48. 13-point lead. Wala pa rin ako ni Mateo. Mateo no look pass to. Na steal ni Agod. Agod binigay kay Bautista. Bautista with a Pinoy step. Nakakuha ni Mirano short. Rebound by Bautista. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni jersey number 12. Flores to Carlos. Agod. Agod. Wala pa rin nakakuha ni whoops. Check. Mirano. Pass to Agod. Pull up jumper. Committee timeout.
Committee timeout. Alam ko siya naman. Committee timeout.
Committee timeout.
Nueva Ecija Towns Basketball League. Presented by Glenn's Malungi Pandesalan and Glenn's Cafe. Ligang bawat Novo Ecijano. Number 1, focus lang, hustle hard. Let's go! Yeah! Bawat umaga may bagong laban, bigbit.
In favor of Barangay Lulu. Hagan Pasu. Out of the bounds. The ball goes to Barangay and 1 up.
61-48. Lamang pa rin po ang San Juan Akpa. Keko, short, rebound by Alcantara, Basu Flores, 2 points. 63-48. Medrano, Basu, Bautista agad ang play, kaso wala. Nako ni Angeles. Angeles binigay kay Bautista, Basu. De Guzman wala pa rin, rebound D. Medrano, 5 seconds on the shot clock. Out of bounds, turnover. Carlos, pass to Alcantara, basket, 2 points. Mirano, 48-65. Wala pa rin nakuha ni Alcantara. Pass to Carlos, pass to Flores. Alcantara, lay Keko, no good. Rebound by Carlos. Binigay sa gitna kay Alcantara, lays it up, 2 points. 48-67, 19-point lead. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. De Guzman, 2 points assisted by Medrano. Shoutout po kay Lang Tolentino. Shoutout din po kay Alden Palana. Shoutout po kay Jen Rev Gusto from Taiwan. Shoutout din po kay Alden Palana ulit. Iskalabay ng Lumina Homes, 2 points. Carlos, pass to Mateo, back to Carlos. To Mateo. Mateo, lose the ball, pero same ball. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Yes, Alcantara, 2 points.
Tambak na.
25 seconds.
That's 25 seconds in the third quarter. Mirano. Wala pa rin nakuha ni Mirano ulit. 10 seconds on the shot clock. De Guzman, 2 points. Last 10 seconds. Flores with a Pinoy step, 2 points. Gandang galaw by Mr. Flores. Mirano, nakuha ni Bautista, denied. And look at that third quarter. Score 71-54. And this game is brought to you by Glenn's Cafe. Glenn's Malunggay Pandesalan.
Towns Basketball League. Presented by Glenn's Malunggay Pandesalan and Glenn's Cafe. Ligang bawat Novo Enciano. Number 1. Focus lang. Hustle hard. Let's go! Yeah! Bawat umaga may bagong laban, bitbit pangarap kahit nahihirapan. Sa bawat pawis at bawat ensayo, unti-unting naaabot ang gusto. Hindi kailangan ng sobrang yabang, mas mabigat pa rin ang tamang asal. Kapag may natumba, tinutulungan kasi tunay na lakas, marunong dumamay sa laban. Maraming gabi na kulang sa tulog, pero tuloy pa rin kahit pagod ang likod. Dahil bawat sakripisyo may dahilan para sa pamilya at kinabukasan. At bawat patang nasa gilid
71-54 in Europe, Barangay San Juan Akta.
Back to the ball game. We are now entering on the fourth quarter.
Paso De La Cruz, De La Cruz, diretso, foul.
De La Cruz gets fouled. Right.
Alcantara.
Jersey number 12.
Jersey number 24.
De La Cruz.
Second row, De La Cruz. 2-4-2 for Mr. De La Cruz. Mateo, Pasu. Alcantara no good. Rebound by Alcantara pa rin. Binalik kay Mateo.
Mario Vasco Alcantara. Steal.
May steal. Benson nagmamadali.
Benson.
Oops. Draw ball. 3 ball.
Mario Vasco Flores.
Lores to Calago.
Calago.
Easy 2 points by Calago.
De La Cruz.
De La Cruz. Pumira ng 3. Wala na ako ni Flores. Flores nagbababa ng bola. Ibinigay kay Calago.
Vasco Flores.
Back to Flores to De Mesa. De Mesa pasus. Alcantara back to Flores. Tumira ng 3. Malakas. Nakuha ni De La Cruz. Pasu. De Mesa. Pasu. Calago no good. Rebound by Tolentino. Pass to Benson. Oh, Benson. The big separation. 2 points. Last 8 minutes. 73-58. De Mesa na stilan na ako ni Tolentino. Tolentino drives binaliban. No good. Nakakuha ni Alcantara. Binigay kay De Mesa. De Mesa. Wala ulit. Nakakuha ni De La Cruz. Pass to. Stolen by Alcantara. Pass to De Mesa. Wala. De Mesa. Ang pangatlong tira. Pasok. Benson. Pass to De La Cruz. Benson sumalaksak. One shot. No good. Rebound by De Mesa. Mateo. 2 points. De La Cruz. Pass to Guelas. Na-check. Ay steal. Nakakuha ni Flores. Pass to Calago. 2 points. 21-point lead. De La Cruz. Pass to Benson. Benson, 3 points.
79-61.
Flores.
San Juan.
Pass to De Mesa, wala. Tumama sa board na ako ni Mateo. Pass to Flores. To Alcantara. Pass to De Mesa. Out of bounds.
Balagay.
Ako nagugutom na.
Benson to De La Cruz. Back to Benson. Tumira ng 3. Short. Rebound by Mateo.
Score 7-61. San Juan.
Mateo pa rin.
9 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. And for sure.
Mateo. Pass to Alcantara. Gandang pasa galing kay Mateo. 2 points. Alcantara. Wala rebound ni Alcantara. Binigay kay De Mesa. Pass to Flores. Flores pass to. Na-check. Nakuha ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Jelly layup. Rebound by Flores. Pass to De Mesa to Alcantara. 2 points. Balik sa
Last 5 minutes remaining time.
22-point lead. Alcantara.
No good.
De Mesa.
Flores.
Pass to Flores. Alcantara. Flores long three, no good. Malakas ang pasa, Penson, save it. Pero nakakuha ni Flores. Flores to the Mesa, 2 points. Foul.
Subdivision.
Penson.
Benson.
Tumira ng 3.
No good.
Wala na ako ni Dave Mesa.
Benson.
Pass to Carlos.
Carlos. Last 4 minutes. Remaining time. Thank you, Shin.
Alcantara sa gitna. Wala na ang rebound. Stolen by Penson.
Benson. Benson.
Penson, no good. Oops. Out of bounds, same ball.
Seconds to shoot.
Agod, wala na rebound ni Dave Mesa. $61-85.
Thank you, shoot. 5. No good.
Carlos misses na ako ni Dave Mesa. Wala ulit. Alcantara, 2 points. Agod fast to. Oops. Turnover.
87-61.
Last 3 minutes.
1 o'clock.
Mateo, pass. No good na ako ni De La Cruz. Pass. Agod, 2 points.
2-1.
Leg kick o pass to Carlos. Carlos setting the play, pass to De Mesa.
Thank you, shoot.
10 seconds on the shot clock. Leg kick o. De Mesa paso Alcantara. 2 points, Alcantara. De La Cruz. Pass to Fernandez. Back to Tolentino. One shot. 2 points. Last 2 minutes. And this game is presented to you by Lens Cafe. Lens Malunggay Pandesal.
5 to shoot.
Carlos. Pass to corner lay Keko short. Rebound by Dave Mesa. Na-steal na ako ni Agod Dumira. Pasok. 2 points.
1 minute. And 30 seconds.
Carlos.
8-6.
Plus nagbababa ng bola.
And to shoot.
10 seconds on the shot clock. Mateo pass to Alcantara, lose the ball. Alcantara pa rin. 2 points.
Last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute.
Last 15 seconds. Yes, there you go.
Lane Keko, 2 points.
14 seconds.
Ego, 2 points.
10 seconds.
Kulisa po.
15 seconds. 10 seconds. Game winner, Barangays and Walapa.
So 95-69.
Number 1, Mateo.
Our best player of the game, wearing jersey number 1, Mateo.
Tatlo lang ba yung laro? Di ba may isip natin ba yung bawang? Di ba may isip natin?